Greetings, nerds. So we're going to discuss titanium white versus lead white versus zinc white. Now, the reason why I don't have zinc white as a oil paint is because it cracks really badly and it's not archival at all. You have to have a maximum of 25% with zinc white, and zinc white is very low tint strength, so a lot of the times you want to exceed that. So this is going to be a little bit of a weird test. Hear me out. We're going to be using bone black, ivory black. They're both the same thing. They're both very brownish. They're similar to the original ivory black. So this is to kind of show the underhues of the whites. Bone black is a very low tint strength black. So this will give us a very good idea of how they mix. So as you can see with zinc white right here, you still get that underhue of brown from the ivory black. However, it's going to lean more blue. When we compare these to lead white and titanium white, you'll see what I mean by that. So we have our ivory black, we have our lead white right here. There is a lead black, by the way, as well. So if I say lead black by accident, I mean lead white. Grab all of that. And the comparison already, you see that this is way more brown than that. You can see that brown hue coming through really well. Now, if we use the titanium white, now the titanium white I have is in safflower oil, and I use this for mixing purposes because that's it. It's to show titanium white. How it is. Titanium white is a very high tint strength pigment compared to everything else here. It's also more opaque. And when you compare them all, titanium white turns everything blue. You don't get the underhue of blue without titanium white in your mixture. That's it. Hopefully this was educational on why you should use lead white for your oil painting canvases and zinc white for your mixtures on acrylic. Because with acrylic, you can do this so much better. And you still, it's not the same, but it's still very, very similar. And I will say that. A little bit more blue, not blue at all, and very, very blue. Let's thin that out even more to show that blueness. Kind of hard since it's titanium white. You can kind of see the blueness more so. There is a little bit of brown in there, but not that much. But that blue is super strong. And yeah, that's it for this video. Something.